Hi guys, Andy Henderson here from Remax. So in my last few videos you've probably heard me talk a bit about how the interest rates are pretty low just now. In today's video I'm going to solely talk about the interest rates and how they affect the housing market. So to start off with, what is an interest rate? So the interest rate is the amount it costs to borrow money or the reward you receive for saving money. So how does this affect us? So say somebody wants to buy a house that's £100,000. They go to a mortgage company and they say, I want to buy this house, it's £100,000. So the mortgage company loans them the £100,000. Say over 25 years they pay back the £100,000 plus they also pay back a fee. This fee that they pay back is called the interest. So if the interest rate is low, the fee that you pay back on top of the £100,000 is fairly low. Whereas if the interest rate is high, the fee that you pay back on top of the £100,000 is higher. So if we look at the Bank of England base rate, so the Bank of England base rate before the coronavirus was at 0.75%. Just now, with all that's going on in the world, it's at 0.1%. So this means it's cheaper for your mortgage companies and your banks and your lending companies to borrow money, which then means that they can afford to give us the lower interest rates. So if we translate that and look at that from a mortgage rate perspective. So just before the coronavirus, the average mortgage rate for a 5-year fixed mortgage, a 5-year fixed rate was 2.94%. I've just found one about half an hour ago for 2.19%. Now this doesn't sound like a lot. However, if we look at it from the pounds perspective, so if you were to get a mortgage on a £200,000 house, and you put down 10%, so 20,000 over 25 years. If you were to get a mortgage rate at 2.94 like it was before the coronavirus, you'd be paying back £850 a month. Whereas if you were to get the mortgage rate now at 2.19%, like what I've just found half an hour ago, you would only be paying £780 a month. So you're saving £70 a month on your mortgage. Over the year, this is £840 a year. That's why it's so attractive for people to move house or buy a house, or first time buyers to buy just now, because the rates are so low, so they're saving so much money yearly on their mortgage. So I hope that's cleared up a bit about how the interest rates affect the housing market. If anyone's got any questions about anything I've talked about, please get in touch, let me know, and I'm happy to help. Thanks.